Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to replace the fan control module. It's this guy. Go. There's a part number on it. Anyways, it was about $23 off Parts Geek. I'm going to show you where it's at. So first thing you need to do is remove your battery. Next, we'll have to remove this to get to the little battery retaining bolt right there. Access to these. You just have to loosen it, you don't actually have to tie it or take it all the way out. Alright, now I gotta pull the battery out. Right now I got the battery removed. We're going to remove these 4 bolts. And as you can see, they're kind of covered in some stuff. They're 10 millimeters, so let me get one of those. We gotta remove this air box. Alright, so now got that out of the way. These 2 bolts right here, which are also 10 mil, hold that control module. Left out, boys and girls. Control modules just hanging. So what we'll do now is remove the clips, which you won't be able to see anyway. So put you down. Alright, not gonna lie, that was a pain in the ass to undo the clips because a lot of dirt and shit gets tucked in there. But you can see that terminal's kind of red, or not red, but burned. Here's the nice new one. Always want to make sure that they match. So ready to put this one in. So I have the harness out, so I'm gonna put the harness on first and then we're gonna mount it. So connect it first. I don't know if I'll be able to. So threading this down here first so I can do the connections and then we can flip it over and mount it. Hi. Oh god, that's a tight fit. Okay. Fixing my fan. Alright, so now we got her connected, so we're going to flip her back where she is upside down. And then we're going to put the screws back in. So I'll be able to flip her around, get her all mounted. Now, tighten her back down. Right now we get a finagled air box back in. Time to check some of your grounds and stuff when you're down here too, because if this is loose it'll make your car do all sorts of weird things.